Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best folding pool table is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving additions you can make to your home entertainment setup, offering the full billiard experience without the permanent commitment of a traditional table. Imagine transforming any room into a game room instantly, enjoying friendly matches with family and friends, and then effortlessly folding it away when the fun is done, making it an ideal solution for apartments, smaller homes, or anyone who values flexibility and efficient use of space. This innovative design doesn't compromise on playability, providing a stable and level playing surface that ensures every shot is as accurate and satisfying as it would be on a full-size table, proving that you don't need a dedicated game room to enjoy the classic game of pool. Number 5. SereneLife 4-in-1 Multi-Game Table. Introducing the ultimate 4-in-1 game table, designed for hours of entertainment. This versatile table brings 4 exciting games into one compact design. Enjoy classic games like ping pong, air hockey, pool billiards, and shuffleboard. It's perfect for family game nights, bringing competitive fun to any occasion. Switching between games is a breeze. Simply change the board and assemble the necessary accessories, and you're ready for your next match. Designed for all ages, this table is perfect for both kids and adults. Its sturdy construction and adjustable height ensure a great experience for everyone. Get ready to play right out of the box. It comes with all the essential accessories for each game, including cues, pucks, balls, and more. This portable and foldable table is ideal for indoor or outdoor use. Take the fun with you wherever you go, making any space a game room. What we like. If you're looking for maximum entertainment value, this is the one. It offers 4 different games, ensuring there's always something new to play. This is perfect for families with diverse interests or for anyone who loves variety in their game nights. What people say. Well-built and smooth tabletops make it so easy to play on all 4 tabletops. It's great. I love the fact that so foldable and easy to put away when not in use. Comes with pool, shuffleboard, ping pong, and air hockey. The table legs collapse for easy storage. Number 4. Fat Cat Frisco 7.5-foot Pool Table. Introducing the Frisco Pool Table, the ideal size for players of all ages. It's the perfect addition to elevate your game room experience. Don't let uneven floors stop the fun. Our built-in leg leveling system ensures a perfect setup, no matter where you place it. Enjoy a consistently level playing surface thanks to the effortlessly technology. It's designed for lasting performance and comes with a 7-year warranty. Experience superior play with its strong, solid wood rails and K66 rubber bumpers. They provide elastic responsiveness for countless games. This table comes complete with 2 cues, chalk, a triangle, a rail brush, and a full set of billiard balls. You'll be ready to play right away. What we like. If you desire a traditional billiard experience with modern conveniences, consider this table. Its classic design and built-in leg leveling make it a stylish and practical addition to any game room. It's ideal for those who appreciate the aesthetic of a classic pool table but need the flexibility to set it up on various surfaces. What people say. The table is very sturdy and well-built, providing a stable playing surface. It folds up easily for storage, which is a great space-saving feature. The playing surface is smooth and level, ensuring a good game of pool. Number 3. YITAHOME 8-foot heavy-duty folding table. Setting up this table takes mere seconds, and it folds down just as easily for convenient storage. Plus, with its built-in handle, taking it anywhere is a breeze. Built with a robust steel frame and a thick tabletop, this table is designed to withstand daily use. It also features security locks for enhanced safety and stability. This versatile table is ideal for all your gatherings, whether you're camping, hosting a party, or need extra space indoors. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor enjoyment. The resilient surface resists the elements and cleans up easily with just a damp cloth. You won't need to worry about any extra maintenance. With its ample dimensions, this table comfortably seats up to 8 people. It provides plenty of room for food, drinks, and dinnerware for your guests. What we like. If you need a versatile and durable table for events or outdoor gatherings, this is your best bet. Its robust construction and weather-resistant surface mean it can handle various environments. This is perfect for anyone who frequently hosts parties, picnics, or camping trips and needs a reliable surface for food, drinks, or games. What people say. Nice sturdy table, my only complaint is the weight of it. If you don't need to move it often and need a strong table, it's perfect. Great heavy-duty tables that came in time and undamaged. I would recommend them to anyone. The tables are well made and should last a long time. Number 2. SereneLife 6 feet folding pool table. Experience a flawless playing surface with our fully supported slate. It's engineered to prevent dips and maintain a perfectly flat surface for precision shots. Crafted with a robust steel frame weighing 128 pounds, it boasts unmatched stability. Feel confident during every game, knowing it's solid and secure. With robust welded leg supports, it offers exceptional durability and stability. Enjoy countless hours of worry-free gameplay and trust in its sturdiness. Play confidently with our anti-collapse safety lock, designed to keep it securely in place. It ensures a stable gaming experience, free of unexpected disruptions. Enjoy an immersive billiards experience with our complete accessory kit. It provides everything you need for a fantastic game of pool with friends and family. What we like. If you're seeking an authentic and stable playing experience, this is the table to choose. The fully supported slate and heavy-duty steel frame ensure a professional feel and exceptional durability. This is ideal for serious players who want a high-quality billiard table that offers precision and longevity without compromising on safety. What people say. Setup was a breeze, simply unfold the legs and set upright. The table is level, checked it, the felt is smooth, the balls roll well and the bumpers are quality and bounce as one would hope expect. The table itself is extremely sturdy and, along with the frame, looks very aesthetically pleasing. It's obvious that whomever designed this knew what they were doing. This table can be easily moved for storage, or from new home to new home, or apt. It took all of 10 minutes to unbox, stand, and get the accessories together. The top is very smooth, the felt has a nice nap, it isn't just a stretched thin piece of polyester as I've seen with other tables. Number 1. Best Choice Products 40 inches Tabletop Billiard Table. Gather your loved ones for some friendly competition. This classic arcade game provides hours of entertainment for everyone. Crafted from durable composite wood with non-slip legs, this table is built for lasting support. It meets U.S. federal safety standards for your peace of mind. Keep everything organized with built-in clips for your cue sticks. All accessories, including the legs, conveniently fit into the included storage bag. Its space-saving design and easy-to-remove legs make setup a breeze. You can quickly assemble it in any room of your home. Get ready to play right away. It comes with 2 cue sticks, chalk, a full set of balls, a racking triangle, and a felt brush for easy upkeep. What we like. If you have limited space but still want to enjoy a game of pool, this compact option is perfect. Its tabletop design and easy storage solutions make it ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, or smaller living areas. This is a great choice for casual players or families looking for a fun, accessible game that doesn't require a dedicated game room. What people say. It is super quick and easy to set up, you don't even need the manual. It is very easy to store and good quality. Well made, durable, and easy to store when not in use. The balls are solid, just smaller versions of the real thing. This table really impressed me, can be leveled perfectly and just a miniature of real cue balls made us feel like kids again, lots of fun. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.